Hello everyone. So now we have a question. It's going to be under the topic called statistics. And the question shows that 100 adults in a town were surveyed about the number of email they each received one day. The table shows the result. Okay. We are given the table of number of emails and how many adults received that number of emails. Okay. So part A, it's asking for the mode. So mode is which email, which adult, what's the highest frequency, right? The out of all the number of emails that they get. So when you skim through the table, it's definitely going to be 4 emails because that's the highest number of frequency, which has 28 adults. So immediately you can just write mode is equals to 4. Okay. Moving on to B, you want to calculate the mean. So calculate the mean, we're going to use the formula of the sum of NF number no, not NF, XF over sum of F, right? Sum of XF, that means if I give an example, it's going to be 1 times 8. So X is 1, F is the frequency, plus 2 times 10, plus 3 times 22, plus 4 times 28, plus 5 times 15, plus 6 times 9, plus 7 times 5, plus 8 times 3. And then you divide the whole thing by 100 because there are 100 adults. Okay, so now you will get 3.94. Okay, now moving on to the next one, part C. You want one of the adults is chosen at random. Find the probability that they receive fewer than 4 emails that day. Given your answer is the fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so we want to find the probability where X is fewer. So 4 is not included yet. There's no equal sign here. 4 is not inclusive. If it says at most 4, which means 4 is going to be included or inclusive. Okay, if it says fewer, then it's only less than, no equals. Now for that case, we're only going to look at the frequency of emails that's less than 4. So 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to be 8 plus 10 plus 22 divided by 100. And when you plug it into the calculator, simplified, you get 2 over 5. Okay. Now moving on to the next part, the last one, part D. So the town has 18,000 adults. Use the survey results to estimate the number of adults in the town who has received exactly 5 emails that day. Okay, so there's a lot of things happening here. One is they're telling you, oh, instead of hundreds, now you have 18,000. Next is, using the survey results, which means the result in the table that was given to you. You want to estimate how many adults in the town will receive 5 emails. Okay, now first we need to figure out what is the probability of getting exactly 5 emails. That's the first thing that you should do. So that would be 15 over 100, right? Now we want to estimate. So out of 100, 15 adults will get exactly 5 emails. Now that's only for 100 adults, right? So what's going to happen if there are 18,000 adults? So if that is the case, we call this estimated value of X is equals to 5. It's going to be the number 18,000 times the probability 15 over 100, right? 10, when you calculate it, you'll get exactly 2,700 adults. Okay,